I love it when I can see the record button. Hello, welcome. It's a little warm here today and we are expecting rain and things are blowing around. This is the video I promised to people who saw the beginning of this painting or the majority of this painting. This is my today's tool. I'm hoping to use this manicure tool just to lead the paint around, and all I'm planning on doing at this point is adding enough black to define my strand and make it look more dimensional. So it would be good if I had my glasses though, that would be helpful. I have added tape to the painting. Evidently completely hidden my glasses and they're not on my head. So now I'm going to take what I've got started here and see if I can start at the beginning. I'm just going to take my little tiny bottle of black paint. It doesn't have to be too perfect looking, because this is all very organic looking anyway. And lead it around. I'm going to take my tape off. This up here, I'm more interested in picking up some paint. I like the patterns, but I don't want to sacrifice the overall design for the pattern, so I'm willing to let some of it go. Sorry, focused. Quiet. Maybe a little more. I really wish I'd not hidden my glasses on myself, to tell you the truth. There they are! I see them! Always a good thing that you can see your glasses, right? Okay, so, at least for now, I'm going to say this little spot is done. If I see that I don't like the way that looks later, I may fix it. Now, this over here, I don't want to try and put a big heavy line in because I want to draw that paint over. I want to kind of end the patterns that look like each other, so it helps fool the eye a little bit. I got a few little spots around. I'm probably going to touch those up off camera. There's our wind. Hopefully we don't get blown away. There's a 40% chance of rain, which usually means no rain in Florida, but today somebody has convinced me that that may not be the case. I guess I was convinced yesterday too, so I put all my stuff away. That looks okay to me. When I did this digitally, I sort of filled in with some highlights too, and I'm not sure I want to add them because I don't want to eradicate the pattern. And it's not, it's not a really realistic thing anyway. It's just a twisting cord. Still, it's hard not to be perfectionist sometimes. And easy others. Okay, so now when I did this, this loops around there. Okay, here we go. Like that curve in there, but it's gotta go. Just leading the paint, just enough to create an illusion. Sometimes, if you're working on something and you can't see it very well anymore, it's a good thing to walk away and come back. I just thought I'd mention that. A little more. I don't like this tip blows bubbles, but that's the way it is. I cleared all my tips. For anybody who's been watching, you know that's become sort of a problem. I used my bamboo skewer, a nice clean sharp one. And I reamed them out, and I cut some too. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's peel that tape right off there. That's painter's tape. Shouldn't do any harm. I don't know about that. Almost looks like I made a mistake. Maybe it's a mistake I can correct. I do keep wet cloths around for more than one reason. Probably fill in with a little gold there, just to make it look more like it has a curve. Okay, and there is another spot. It's kind of fresh, and I'm kind of hoping I haven't pressed this down too hard. I'd like to not pull up any of the paint. Good. Always good. That has some schmutz, so it can definitely get covered. Sorry, I'm kind of quiet today. Set a timer. I don't expect this to take me 20 minutes. I really don't. Prefer it didn't, actually. And it's probably pretty boring, but it is getting me what I wanted. And if I like the outline enough in places, I might wind up doing the whole thing, but I don't think so yet. I would prefer to stop doing that. Splooge. Who knows? It may work out even better. I'd like to put a little of that down someplace. I thought I was going to add it to a container. I'm talking down, and you guys probably can't hear me because I kind of noticed that if I wasn't talking loud enough, it was difficult to hear me. Duh. Okay, so I'm going to find something, anything. I cleaned up my space yesterday because the weather was coming, and now I can't find my stuff. Isn't that always the way? Put it where you think you can find it. It disappears every time. I want to use the black tip, but I don't want any more splooges. I do want enough paint up there. Create a good dark shadow in that place. Put it down and cover my boo-boo from yesterday. This is not a perfect piece for sure, but it, like most of what I do for YouTube, is an experiment for future reference. I don't know if this tool is working any better than my skewer does. I really like my skewer, and that's what I usually use to do this. But I have used this in the past, and I'm not really complaining because it's doing what it's supposed to do for the most part. Give that a little bit of a turn. Yeah, I'm not hating that. It's okay with me so far. Let's get that tape out of there. We don't want anything stuck. And a little extra paint on that. What's left? Okay, I'm going to take a chance. I want this to come over this way, so I guess that's what I'm going to do. No splooge, please. Just push the paint. Make sure you have enough. I have GAC 800 in everything, including my black. Okay. Inside down. Peel my tape off again. Inside to go. It's too bad because there's a really nice cell right there. See if we can't save that anyway. I already started with some black over there yesterday. Look, Ma, I think we're done. Cool. See if there's anything I can, oh, well, I got that to fix, but otherwise. Because I can either paint over it or not. I'm not sure. I need to find the exact right fold. See how that's going to work. I think I'm not going to be too unhappy with a little touch up here and there. And if it doesn't work the first time, I'll probably do it another time. I'm not really expecting perfection. I just want to get rid of some of these little speckles. Okay, let's see if I can straighten up and fly right. There we go. I'm expecting, oop, that's back in frame. I see it. I see the schmutz patrol. Yeah, I remember that. I wanted to put some gold there. Okay, well, as far as I'm concerned, for right now, and hopefully forever, this is 99.9% done, and this is me signing off for now. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.